Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a group on WhatsApp with the most up-to-date steps. Whether you're setting up a chat for your family, your friends, or even a project team, creating a group is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and head over to the Chats tab. This is where all of your conversations are listed, so it's the perfect place to begin. Next, look for the new chat icon, usually found at the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and from the options that appear, select New Group. This will start the group creation process. Now it's time to choose who you want in your new group. You'll see a list of your WhatsApp contacts, so go ahead and select the people you'd like to add. Once you've chosen everyone, tap the green check mark to confirm your selection. The next step is all about giving your group its identity. WhatsApp will prompt you to enter a group name. This is the name that everybody in the group will see. So pick something clear, fun, or meaningful depending on the purpose of your group. You can also set a group photo at this stage, which makes it even easier for members to recognize your group at a glance. Just tap the camera icon to add a picture from your gallery or take a new one. Finally, when you're happy with the name and photo, tap the check mark again to create your group. And that's it. You now have a brand new WhatsApp group. From here on, you and the members you've added can start chatting, sharing photos, videos, voice messages, or even documents instantly. Creating a WhatsApp group is a great way to keep connected with the people who matter most to you. Use it to organize get-togethers, stay updated with your family, collaborate with coworkers, or simply have fun conversations with friends. Now that you've got your group ready, the conversation is in your hands.